Hi everyone! Today, we will be learning how to draw realistic ice hockey skates step by step. Step 1. Draw the outline. Start by drawing the basic outline of the ice hockey skates. The boot resembles a regular shoe, so you can use your shoe as reference. Step 2. Draw the ankle support. We now need to enhance the outline by adding ankle support using curved lines in the middle of the boot. Step 3. Add the protective tongue. To add the protective tongue, draw a curved shape on the upper part of the boot and erase the lines that cut through the new shape. Step 4. Draw the laces. To add the laces, draw curved lines on the curved part of the boot and stop below the tongue. Don't forget to add a knot below the tongue for that realistic touch. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description. Step 5. Decorate the boot. To complete the upper part of the skate, add some decorative lines. The lines will make your ice hockey skate look more realistic. Step 6. Draw the blade. For the blade, draw a curved line below the sole of the boot, parallel to its curvature. Add a second line for depth, and then connect the blade to the bottom of the boot using lines. With that, the basic drawing of the ice hockey skate is ready. Step 7. Color the drawing. Make your drawing pop by coloring it. Use your favorite colors to bring your drawing to life. The right colors will make your drawing pop. We hope you loved our lesson. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching, everyone.